Sometimes the Emoji Me app can stop working inside of the Messages app. So we're going to see how to fix that here. So we launch Messages and go into a texting conversation. And then we want to make sure we see the application drawer. And we see we've got the ... You might have to scroll to get to that. Tap that and then look for Emoji Me. We're going to swipe all the way to the left, which will remove the app. Now that just removed from favorites, so it's still there in more apps. So I'm going to do it again to get rid of it. Now Emoji Me isn't in the list. We can tap done. So now you see it's not there. Now we have to put it back again to set it up. So we'll hit the ... again, and we'll hit the edit button, and we'll scroll until we find Emoji Me. We'll turn it on, and I'm actually going to add it to my favorites too, and then hit done. Now you see Emoji Me is back. Now when we close that up, we should be able to tap the Emoji Me button, and hopefully it's fixed for you. If that doesn't work, then please email in and let us know. Thanks very much.